I have come upon what I believe to be a blind spring. A blind spring is essentially an energy vortex in the earth. It forms in response to positive human intentions, love, compassion, giving, praying, meditating, sacred acts. It draws water from the depths of the earth, and this is the one that, first one I've seen that draws it right to the surface. I've been dowsing for over 20 years, well over 20 years. And I've never seen one draw water so to the surface. I've seen them, up 10, 15 feet, but nothing like this. Pretty incredible. It's located on the side of the hill. It can be very deceptive. You can see behind it is a hill that goes up, and you can say it's just water, just at a low point. I think not. I will explain to you shortly why I believe this is a blind spring. Okay. Usually a vortex will form after a blind spring. A primary spiral forms in a blind spring. It pulls up water, but I'm getting a little bit of clockwise spin here. Now, if I turn my attention and say focus on the geospiral, the primary spiral in the earth, I get dramatically different results. You see my rods begin to spin clockwise, which would be a positive imprint in the northern hemisphere. So this clearly is a primary spiral. But there's more confirmation that this is definitely a blind spring that is pulling water from the depths of the earth, what is called living water, the most nutritious water in the world. All right, I've marked 3 water veins that originate from the blind spring. Further confirmation that this is a blind spring that goes to the depth of the earth and pulls up living water. Remarkable. Living water is nutritious, full of minerals and earth energies. Now, you can see on the left is one stick or one branch. Straight ahead is another one above it, and then a third one to the right. Now, the one on the right is flowing at about a little over, about 8 to 9 gallons a minute. That is very, very, it's not super strong, but it's strong. That tells me this blind spring has been here for a long time and was created a very, very long time ago. All right, something also remarkable is happening to this blind spring. 16 energy lines converge upon it. That is a damn lot of energy lines, a lot. Now, I've marked a few of them. I just don't have all the ability to mark all of them. But if I get closer in, you can see these branches mark 3 of the 16. If we pull away here and go even lower, you can see there's a Manitou stone, definitely marked with energy lines. You'd expect to see that. And then there's another Manitou stone here, right there on the ground. Let me get down here. There you go. Pretty remarkable. 16 energy lines.